Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my nigga for real. You baby, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight.
Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Nyla. I am a first-time girl mom. I post beauty, lifestyle, and everything motherhood. So for today, I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me on like a day in the life vlog. If you hear whatever you hear in the background, like a sound, it's my air fryer, so sorry about that, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with a day in a life. Right now it is really early. It is 7:26. I decided to get up super early and just shower and get myself together, and right now I'm currently making breakfast for my husband and daughter. But I actually have a little random idea that just came to my mind, so I'm actually gonna be letting my husband know, like, I want to go outside now. I want to go on a picnic. If you live up north, like, you already know it's hot. It is literally July and it is going to be 99 degrees today. And we was actually supposed to go out later because my husband wanted to go for a run, but at 2 o'clock it said it's going to be at its peak. It's going to be 99 degrees, and I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even trying to do all of that. So right now it's already hot. It's like 87. So I kind of wanted to just, I don't know, do like a breakfast picnic, but then I don't want to have cold eggs, so I'm not sure. But I want to just get up, go do a picnic, just get that out the way. We just enjoy, each other, and just, we haven't had a picnic yet of the summer, so that's what I'm currently thinking about doing. I really want to be in the sprinklers, and unfortunately right now the sprinklers by my house in the park is under renovation, and I really hate that because my daughter needs to be in the water. It is super hot. That's what I plan on doing, or maybe I'm gonna try to look up like a park or something and we could just drive over there. But yeah, y'all, so that's the goal this morning. Like I said, right now I'm making breakfast, and then I'm gonna just get ourselves together, get baby girl ready, and all that good stuff. So this is baby girl's breakfast. She got some sausages, some oranges, and some eggs. I know for sure she's gonna eat the sausages. Eggs, she's kind of pretty much up and down, and she's usually a Mandarin girl, but we'll see about the oranges. And then today, this is all my husband wanted, just 2 sausages, and mine is still currently cooking. I'm gonna eat some hash browns and some turkey sausages. So baby girl is watching her morning stuff. Hi baby, this is what she's watching. Super simple, Noodle and Pals. Hey you guys, so baby girl is dressed. Let me show y'all her outfit before she crashes out. Mama. Okay, so her shirt is like a tank top, and it literally says, "I'm literally just a girl," which she is. Actually, a halter top. That's what I meant to say in the back. And then she has her little skirt to match, looking so cutesy. She's been such a good girl. And then we have her pink sunglasses, but y'all, she refuses to put shades on. Like, I be trying to get her to put her shades on, but she do not be having it. She just likes to play with them. She is not putting them on. Put it on your face, mama. Let me see. Look, like this. Ooh, pretty girl. Who you feeling like? See, y'all, she is not keeping these on at all. Her shoes, we have these jellies that we got from Walmart. And when I tell you, these have been the go-to. Like, they go with everything. And they are just so freaking cute. Like, these are literally her go-to shoes. You okay, baby? Show you guys what we're packing. So I'm gonna pack an extra outfit, of course, her Winnie the Pooh 2-piece short set. In here we have some diapers and some wipes and stuff, 2 extra bibs. I'm bringing her water shoes just in case, I don't want her jellies to, with jellies, the material, you move around, you start slipping. I'm going to bring these just in case. And as for her lunch bag, so we packed some coconut water, her apple juice, Teddy Grahams, and some yogurt. And then we have her spoon and her napkin. And then I also packed her regular water. I'm going to actually bring probably like 3 more regular waters as well, because like I said, y'all, it is going to be 99 degrees. And right now it's already 87, but it feels like 93, which is actually insane. We're actually, instead of doing the picnic, we're gonna actually go and find a sprinkler park, And hopefully they're open, because I was looking at the websites. Well, some of them don't have websites, and then others is saying that it's open or it don't open till 3:30, which is like so late. So that's what we're gonna do. I have her sunscreen and stuff in the car. And yeah, here's my outfit. Please don't mind the dirty mirror, y'all, but I just have a dress on. Yes, with a little slit on the side. This dress is like yellow, blue. Yeah, I had this for a year. I love a good maxi dress, but yeah. You ready to go, baby girl? Ready for me to press play on her program, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so we actually just made it to the park, and I know I told y'all that I was gonna go to the sprinklers and stuff, but nothing was open. So we ended up finding a pool that was near us that some lady put us onto. Come to find out, it's literally behind our local Walmart. I'm excited, but like I said, it's super hot out here. I'm so excited to get wet, and it just opened too, so that's actually perfect. This is the pool. I love that it has like a little water slide, and it literally has lifeguards on duty. Love that. Right now we're actually gonna go to the kiddie side and see what's over there first. If we happen to make our way over to this side, which I feel like we are, then yeah, most definitely. But I'm so glad that we're doing it early. Like I said, you never want to go to the pool on like a really hot day and you wait till like the late afternoon because it's super crowded. Are you ready to get wet? Hi, pretty girl. We are in the pool, and Miss Honor loves the water. She's chilling right now. She likes when we just lay with her and just let her just be, right? Hey, mama. So hot out here. Oh my gosh. Daddy here.
What's up, y'all?
We're just in the pool, the little kiddie pool. So cute. And we already went to the sprinklers over there. Okay, you guys, so we are currently taking a little snack break, and sorry for the change of quality. Baby girl, I'm literally sitting here trying to fix my gimbal. Like, I don't know what's going on, and it's about to really piss me off because I'm literally sitting here turning it on, and it's not rotating. My gimbal and stuff is not rotating, so I'm sitting here trying to reset it and just trying not to get irritated during the process. But I'm not gonna obviously let it ruin the day that we have going on, so I'm recording the rest on my phone until we figure out the gimbal situation. I'm so glad that we came earlier, y'all, because now it's starting to, you know, pick up, and by the time we even go to the other pool, we're gonna be in and out, and we're gonna be done. So y'all see my husband in the back. So we are now home. It is 2:25. I literally just took a shower, got baby girl together, and my husband just got out the shower. So for lunch today, we are gonna eat some pizza and keep it simple. We got some DiGiorno pizza, and I already took a bite because clearly I'm hungry. So after she eats, I know for sure it's her nap time, and she's actually for sure tired because her morning nap was interrupted because we was going to the pool. So I know she's gonna sleep for some time. So I'm about to eat this pizza and put her down. It is 6:57, basically 7 p.m. and it is dinner time. So for dinner, we have some spaghetti and some wings. I feel like that's such a black meal, and it's so funny to say because I didn't even grow up having wings with spaghetti. Actually, no, I did. But I didn't even eat spaghetti growing up. But now I eat spaghetti because I make it, and I make it a certain way. So that's what we're eating. And baby girl is tearing this up right now. This is actually her favorite meal, which is so funny. So we actually keep this on rotation because this is one thing that we know for sure she's gonna eat. But yeah, y'all, so after we eat, basically gonna wind her down, get her bath and everything ready, and just really just wind down for the night. Gonna get ready for Love Island. I have no comment, and to be honest, Love Island, I need them to actually throw the whole villa away and start over. but we're gonna see it through to July 12th at this point. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video out. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.
I am blessed, I am blessed, I am